Here we have a beautiful home here in Green Springs. We're gonna go inside and check it out. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Has a little patio out here in the front. And we go inside. It's a beautiful entryway. And over here to the left, we have our family room. That goes into the kitchen. There's beautiful lighting and beautiful details in this home. We go over here into one of the bedrooms. Some great storage space. Here we have one of the bathrooms. That is a tub and a shower. 2 sinks. Here one of the other smaller bedrooms. And here we go into the Casita. Here we have this bathroom, which also has a tub and a shower. And we go back down the hallway. When you walk in right from the home, you have your half bath here. And then we can walk into our 3-car garage. Plenty of space. And here we have the laundry room. This also part enters into the kitchen. Here we have the master bedroom. And it leads outside as well to the beautiful patio backyard, which has a great view of the Green Springs golf course. Coming back into the master bedroom. Here we have the bathroom you can walk into. Has a nice big tub. One side of the sinks with a nice walk-in closet. And here we have the bathroom and the other sink. Here we walk into the walk-in shower. And that is the beautiful home here in Green Springs. If you have any more questions or information, you can find me at my website at stgrentals.com. Thank you.